Good afternoon. Today I will review another product. This is Turtle Wax Quick Easy Zip Wax. Actually, my car shampoo has exhausted, so I was looking for a replacement. So this time I procured this Turtle Zip Wax, and with this I will clean my car. And it claims that after this shampoo wash, it will give a natural shine, as it is fortified with special type of waxes. So I will check whether it works what they claims. I have procured this particular product from Amazon, and those who are interested, I will give you the links. So there are two methods of washing a car. One is the bucket method. You can use by diluting this shampoo in the bucket and wash the entire car and wipe it dry. But my preference is to wash without water, so I will follow the spray process and wipe and clean the car dry. So less the use of water, it's much better for your car body, and it will be less prone to rusting. So use as less water if possible. Only in case of stubborn darts you need to wash the entire car. So let's see. I have already procured a new spray bottle for this purpose, and I will use a small portion with this particular water. I have taken around 300 ml of water, with which I will add around 1 cup of shampoo. In fact, less than 1 cup will be sufficient, and then I will start the procedure. This is how the shampoo is. And the price of this shampoo is 375 rupees, which I feel is quite reasonable. Before this shampoo I was using Sonax Gloss shampoo. That is also a good one, but Turtle Wax claims to be a better shampoo than that. So let us see if it lives up to its expectation. For this I have procured this microfiber towels, one for wiping it dry and another for buffing after that wipe up procedure. So, and one extra I have kept in hand. So let me first wipe up the dust with the help of Jopasu duster. Then I will go for the shampooing procedure. And always while you are washing your car, you will come from top to bottom. So I will start with the roof, then the bonnet area, then the entire body of the car, and finally the lower area. Let's start one panel at a time. I have sprayed the shampoo. Now I will wipe it dry. Okay, so this area is finished. Now let me use a dry cloth. Now I will use another cloth, and we will check whether the shine has come back or not. So we have completed the roof area, and after shampooing this roof area, and we have buffed up the entire roof, and you can see it is spotlessly clean. And not only that, it's really giving a good shine. So I feel what the shampoo claims, it's working. Let's check with the bonnet area again. I have sprayed the bonnet area, and just I am using like a polishing procedure. I have sprayed the bonnet area, and then I am buffing off the moist bonnet, and I will wipe it dry. And now I will apply the dry cloth to give it a glossy shine. Yes, this is how the bonnet looks after cleaning the area with this Turtle Zip Wax and Shine. Actually, it is a shampoo fortified with waxes, so it will not only clean your car but it will also add a shine to your car. So let us complete the entire car and then we'll see how it looks. Now the sides, I am spraying it, and after that then I will wipe it dry and finally buff the area. I will also apply this shampoo to this glass areas also, so it will easily clean all the dirt, and then I will wipe it dry again with the help of a microfiber cloth. So the glasses will also become spotlessly clean. Like this I will do all the glasses. As you can see, this particular glass is looking so clean. Finally, we have completed the entire shampooing work, and you can easily see there is not a single trace of any dirt. Not a single trace of dirt is there, and it is absolutely spotless, and really it's giving a shine. So the product absolutely works as it claims. So like this way you can easily shampoo your own car and without using any water. And hope you have liked the procedure, and if you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.